Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to do Superman back extensions. Okay, so we have two different ways that we can do these. We can do pulses or we can do holds. Either way, we're going to start on our belly. We're going to look at the floor. This is not a neck extension exercise. It's a back extension. Now, we're going to bring our legs up when we do this. So we're going to squeeze our butt, and we're thinking knees off the ground, higher and higher as you get stronger. We're going to do the same thing with our upper body. We're not going to assist ourselves with our hands. So our hands aren't going to be here. Our hands are going to be back behind us, or they're going to be overhead in front of us. Either way is perfectly fine. Or we can even have our hands here by our shoulders. So legs and upper body come up. We're going to think about bringing our chest up, chest up, knees up. Hold. Or we have pulses. And this is going to build our lower back strength to help improve our posture and help us feel really great. So for more lower back strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.